1238 species in genus Solanum. The nightshade family, a world of Solanum. I've always been fascinated by the diversity of the natural world, especially the plant kingdom. One genus that truly captures my attention is Solanum. This massive group of plants, belonging to the nightshade family Solanaceae, boasts over 1,200 species and encompasses a remarkable range of forms and functions. From the humble potato to the vibrant eggplant, Solanum species have played a crucial role in human history and continue to shape our world today. A diverse genus. Solanum is a cosmopolitan genus, meaning its members can be found throughout the world. They exhibit incredible diversity in their growth habits, ranging from small herbaceous plants to sprawling vines, shrubs, and even small trees. This incredible variety is reflected in the vast array of habitats they occupy, from tropical rainforests to arid deserts. Perhaps the most striking feature of Solanum is the sheer number of species it contains. See full list at monsteraholic.com. More than just food. While Solanum is renowned for its edible members, the genus offers much more than just food. Many species possess medicinal properties and have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. For instance, some species are used to treat ailments like fever, inflammation, and skin diseases. Furthermore, Solanum plays a vital role in various ecosystems. Its flowers attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, while its fruits provide food for birds and other animals. Some species even serve as host plants for certain insects. The importance of understanding Solanum. Studying Solanum is crucial for several reasons. First, it helps us understand the evolution and diversification of plants. The sheer diversity of Solanum provides valuable insights into how plants adapt to different environments and develop unique characteristics. Second, research on Solanum can lead to the development of new and improved crops. By studying the genetic makeup of different species, scientists can identify traits that can enhance yield, nutritional value, and resistance to pests and diseases. Finally, understanding Solanum can help us conserve biodiversity. Many Solanum species are threatened by habitat loss and climate change. By studying their distribution, ecology, and conservation status, we can develop effective strategies to protect these valuable plants. My personal connection. My interest in Solanum stems from a deep appreciation for the interconnectedness of life. This genus exemplifies how plants can impact our lives in countless ways, from providing sustenance to inspiring scientific inquiry. I believe that by learning more about Solanum, we can gain a greater understanding of the natural world and our place within it. Whether it's the comforting taste of a potato, the vibrant color of an eggplant, or the intricate beauty of a wild nightshade flower, Solanum offers a glimpse into the wonders of the plant kingdom. It's a testament to the power of nature to nourish, heal, and inspire.